everybody. Oh, SpongeBob, and it looks like a fun battle here. One-on-one with cruisers. Maybe I can talk this guy into playing bumper boats. Ha! What I'm doing is playing what is called Bathtub Battling. Oh, they gotta call that something else. How about Rub-a-Dub Tub Battles? That'd be easier to say. Alright, what they are tier 1 cruisers. And that's all you get in tier 1 is the cruisers. And you just go out there and you just battle with them. That's all you do. For high tiers, low tiers, everybody mixes together, just goes down there and just plays. But the higher tiers, that's what they're calling it. They call it the Bathtub Battles. I found that out from a player called The Lala. And maybe I'll get to play him down here one of these days. I decided to try it out. It's pretty fun. Yeah, you get some newbies, and when you do that, I found out they call that seal clubbing. So, I don't know. I think I might have tucked this one here into bumper boating. Yeah. Alright, what I'm trying to explain to this guy is bumper boating. Alright, we're bathtub boating and playing a level 1 cruiser. We gotta run around, shoot each other. But I'm saying don't fire. We're just gonna run into each other, basically. We just hunt around and see who can glance off who, and depending on what type of hits, I'm not sure how that all's gonna work, because each ship has different armor on it, and exactly where it's armored and where it's not armored. Yeah, but I talked him into it, so I says I'm gonna meet him right out in the middle. So I'm going right out to that X, right in the middle between my circle and his circle. So now the reason I'm calling this bumper boating is sort of like bumper cars, you know, sort of like self-explanatory, I thought. So, alright. So where are you? I'm almost here. I should be able to see you if you're over here somewhere. Unless you're coming out from behind an island. Dude, come out, wherever you are. No, it can't be where both ships gonna blow up at the same time. It doesn't work that way. Some ships are heavier, some ships are smaller. Well, this is what we're gonna find out, I'm assuming. But I'm saying one of us should die. Either I die or he'll die. That's pretty much it's gotta be that way. It can't work out just because every ship runs into another ship. They're both gonna die. I'll be taking my destroyers out there after those little baby, the battleships. And be running into them all the frickin' time, especially when I'm almost dead. So that's another point. When you're wounded, your health goes down, so assuming your impact or your percentage hit is gonna go down too? Not quite sure. I should shoot those houses. Now, I keep saying I see vehicles moving around on the roads in these towns. I will catch it one of these times. I swear I am. I swear I will. Oh, a little plug in there for my channel here. And yeah, not for nothing to anybody out there, but the more subs I get, the more popular I get, and I just have fun doing this. And I don't know, maybe you don't like hearing me and think I'm stupid. Well, I'm not. I'm just ugly. Anybody see any vehicles moving? I don't yet. Well. One of these times I'm going to be in a battle, and I'm going to be narrating for y'all, and I'm going to die, and we're just going to go flying around all these islands in between their battles and check them all out and see if we can find vehicles and stuff moving around on them. Because I know I have seen the vehicles rolling around on a couple of these islands, on a couple of these maps. But I was sort of busy doing stuff, so but by the time I got back there, or I had forgotten, or something happened. But never seen it again. I'm right here. Come out before I kill all the villagers. I'm the evil man. See. I'm blowing up the church. Skull's next. Oh wait, no, that'll make the church is next. That makes the kids happy. We know how to make the kids happy. We want them home wiping to mom and dad because I just come out. I'm right here. I can't be any more in the middle than I am. Oh well, I'm detected. Where are you?
Enemy force detected.
Wait, what the hell? Oh, alright, fine. Toot, I'm on my way. In the meantime, just because you're lazy, I'm going to shoot a couple more villagers' houses. Take out their playgrounds so they don't have any place to play. Yeah, then they'll whine to mom and dad. Boy. Yeah, not much to really narrate on a battle like this, though. Oh, there he is. He's getting closer. We're coming in nose to nose. I wonder what would happen. You know, I know where the armor is. I know where the armor is. I'm thinking if I T-bone him, that's it. He's done, and I'll take light damage. Or yeah, take him in the rear. Oh shit! I slowed down and then sped up too slow. Wanted to take out his rear rudder, and that was the plan. Oh, I would love to shoot, but I can't. I promised I wouldn't. Oh. Well, let's see. Mass. I didn't check that for a second. Alright, his mass is 6450. My mass is 4950. So, well, I don't know what to do. Oh, man. Steer. Yes, please. Steer. Try to hit me. I will try to hit you. If you think I'm going to hit you in the bad spot, try to parry. Or dodge, or make me just glance off the side of you, then come around and try for another hit. Just like in bumper cars, or so I thought. So again, I'm thinking if I hit him right in the side, he will go and but he's got me by 6-4, or 6-5. I'm 49, he's 64. Say 5,000 to 60. He's got 1,500 on me. But we'll see. Here we go. Charge! Oh! Well, I died, and he didn't. Well, howdy everybody, this is Bullet SpongeBob, and this is World of Warships with Bullet SpongeBob again.
Action stations.
And last round, me and this one guy played bumper boats. Now, again, I'm playing what I called Bathtub Boat Battles, and in that, I'm trying to get a game called Bumper Boating. However, it's not looking all that good because we already played one round with this guy, and I ran into him, and I'm thinking if I just T-boned him, he should die. Now, he's 6,400 to my 4,900 that you see here. In the last battle, I slowed down the last frame where I was dead and he was still alive, and he still had over 50% health. So I'm thinking he still had 3,000. I hit him. So now I'm wondering if the nose is lightly armored in that, and that's a weak spot. So if you hit somebody with the nose, it does a lot of damage on your ship. And I'm assuming the same with your aft, with your tail. And backing into somebody. So, yeah, ram me. Yeah, ram me. I want to find out. I think the viewers out there want to find out. Yeah, I got lots of points. This is a basic ship. I'm not out there seal clubbing. I don't have extra flags. I don't have extra camouflage. I don't have the captains all ranked up like crazy just to kick the hell out of newbies and just drive them nuts. No, I'm just out here with a simple boat just like everybody else has and in level 1. Out here shooting. But this round we're going to try to not shooting. We're just going to play bumper boats, which, if anybody's played bumper cars, now you know what the game is. So, and again, last round, I ran right into him after he figured out how to steer. So, I'm telling him to look for this video. So I guess I got to make this video. Oh boy. Now, if he hits me and I still die, and I look at the last frame and he's still got half health, I'm going to be totally confused. I'm coming, I'm at 20 knots. If you came towards me, we'd be beaten already. Don't make me torture your villagers again, feller. Besides, I'm looking for them anyhow, because I gotta find a car that's riding around on their roads. Be very quiet. I'm hunting wabbits. Oh! Playground! Looking for playground! Wake up the babies! No, I don't want to hurt them. I just want to wake them up and make them cry. Oh, crap, I hit somebody's house. Ah, come on. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, not sorry. It was a playground. I swear I saw a playground over there. They're dangerous for kids anyhow. You know? Aha! He sees me. I'm torturing your villagers. Get over here. I'm waking the babies. Don't make me go for the sailboats. They're right over there.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
There you are. Here, let me wing it. I'm just gonna shoot over there. Are we seeing any cars over there running around on those roads? No. Any other time I'm really busier than hell battling and I'll see it out of the corner of my eye, but when I'm looking for it, can you think I can see it out there? Nope. Nuh-uh. Come on. I'm torturing them. Don't make me shoot their diving boards. Ooh, look up on that hill there. That's a nice big church. Yeah, that would be bad luck, wouldn't it? So, look for the school. Make the kids stay home. Have the parents' school teach them. Be better for them anyhow. Ha ha ha. No, not the college though. No, we can't shoot the college. Come on, I'll sit still. See, I'm nice and fat. You should be able to steer. You ready? Come on. I'm just sitting right here shooting at it. Come on, faster. You can do it. You can do it. And, ooh, there's a frog here left of me, but he's dead. Aha, that answers that. Thanks.
Off to a great start.
Catch y'all later. This is Blow SpongeBob. See you.